Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, well, thank you for clicking on my video. How you doing? My name is Brooke, and we make coffee, vlogs, kind of just whatever we're feeling around here, so you should subscribe if that sounds like it's up your alley. But the reason I'm here today, the reason I brought you into this kitchen, is because I have been seeing, I think it's called Nitro Bar, like that's their name, right? All over my TikTok, and it's like a cold foam, like a cookie butter cold foam. They have a salted maple cold foam, and what I mean like cold, it's like whipped, like it's like whipped cream-esque. It looks good, okay? I want one. It's not, I can't drive to her. She's not drive to me distance. She's fly to me distance, but I don't have fly to me money. So with that being said, we're gonna try and make it at home today. I haven't tried it. We're gonna go together. We're gonna try it together. And if it's not good, you're not going to see this video. So, if you're seeing this video, it's good. So, yeah, with all that being said, let's get into it. What you're going to need is whipping cream. I don't know why I said it like that. Heavy whipping cream. Heavy cream. Heavy cream. This guy. You're going to need this. You're going to need cookie butter syrup. If you don't know how to make cookie butter syrup, you can click on my last video. My last coffee video. I showed you guys how to make it. You're going to need that. So if you don't have that, go click on this or that video, make it, and come back and watch this video. Okay? Okay. So you're going to need heavy cream, that syrup, a little bit of powdered sugar, and some vanilla extract. I might throw a little flaky salt in there just because I like the way that I feel like it enhances all the flavor. You add a little salt and like you could taste things so much more, in my personal humble opinion. But yeah, with all of that being said, let's get into it. Let's try it together and see if we can make this happen, huh? Alright. First things first is you're going to need heavy cream. You're going to need half a cup of heavy cream. And I lied, we're going to need a little bit of milk because I feel like this is going to be a little too stiff. We're going to need like just a little milk. I'm just going to do a splash of 2%. You can probably do any milk. That was probably a tablespoon. Now you're going to need about a 1/4 cup of the cookie butter syrup. I'm going to guess like a tablespoon of this here vanilla bean. I'm eyeballing it. You measure vanilla with your heart. If you don't have vanilla bean, vanilla extract is fine. It's like, it's an equivalent exchange. We are going to need like 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar. You could probably use regular sugar, but I think that it's going to make your whipped cream grainy, so I recommend powdered. I'm just using one big ol' spoon, which should be like 2 tablespoons, okay? We eyeball it around here. It's fine. Close enough. Sea salt. Optional. If you don't want to add salt, you don't have to. I'm going to add a little. Just a little pinch. A little pinch. Now, I'm lazy, so I'm going to be using this. If you have the need or feel the need to use regular mixer, what are these called? A whisk? Girl, pop off. This is gonna take me a while. So I'm gonna check back in after we get to the consistency that we need. Okay. Oh my god, that took way too long. I should have recorded me fighting for my life trying to whip this freaking cream. Girl, if you have like a KitchenAid or like a handheld mixer, use it. This is not gonna do it. This is the consistency we're looking for. Now, they have a fancy like piping bag. I don't have one of those. I'm gonna put this into a Ziploc. I'm gonna cut a hole in the tip and we're gonna make it work. We're gonna make it work. Put the bag into a cup, like so. I'm gonna spoon the cream into here and hope for the best. This is how much cream we got. That feels like a decent amount. I'm gonna put it in the fridge, we're gonna make an iced latte, and then we're gonna top it with this. I think you guys know the drill by now. I'm adding cookie butter syrup to the cup. Okay, I added ice, and I tried to make the cookie butter look cute. Not really working for me, but it's fine. It's fine. I was hoping that'd be enough milk. It wasn't. Okay, hang on. Anybody wondering? I'm trying to like record a YouTube video and a TikTok at the same time. So low-key fighting for my life, but it's fine, it's fine. Okay, she's Beauty, she's Grace. I cut a hole in the top part. Now let's see. Okay, that could have been done better, but it's okay. Okay, does that low-key look like shit? There we go, I fixed it. Now I'm gonna sprinkle some vanilla sugar on top because I kind of just always do because it looks cute. Okay, we're gonna try it. We're gonna try it. This angle is kind of really wonky, but this is good. I don't know if it compares to the Nitro Bar because I've never been there. I can't really get there. But this is like delicious. Hell yeah. Well, we did it, guys. It was good. It was delicious. I'm gonna make that again, but with a hand mixer, not a whisk, and not one of the little like tiny ones to froth your milk. Don't be me. That was a mistake. But with all that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you're having a good new year so far. We are halfway through January, which is kind of crazy. I don't know where the time is going. I don't know where it's going. But with all that being said, like, comment, and subscribe, and have a good day.